Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm here to teach you It's a Small World. It's a Small World uses 4 chords. I use a C chord, a G7, an F, and a D minor. For the strumming pattern in the verse, I'm going down, down, up, down, down, up. When I get to the chorus, I'm doing finger picking. So I'll come up really close so you can see. I put my pinky here to kind of like make my hand steady. I'm going to use my thumb, my index finger, and my middle finger. And I'm going to do the outer 2 strings and then the inner 2. And I go thumb, middle, thumb, index, thumb, middle, thumb, index, change chords. It's really beautiful to change it up a little bit, but if you are struggling with strumming patterns and you simply want to learn the song, I would just do 4 downs. It's a world of laughter, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much. It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hopes and a world of fears. There's so much that we share that it's time we're aware. It's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. There is just one moon and one golden sun, and a smile means friendship to everyone. Though the mountains divide and the oceans are wide, it's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hopes and a world of fears. There's so much that we share that it's time we're aware. It's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. Visit ukulele.io to sign up for free ukulele sheet music in your inbox every week. If you like this video, you can help us out by leaving a comment or a like below. And thanks for watching.